we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Sidasu portable full-size steam sauna, personal home sauna box, steam sauna tent 2.5 liters and 1100 watts steam generator. Steam sauna for home spot, indoor sauna kits included remote control, portable sauna chair. Highlight features or overview summary are include: portable design. Personal sauna size 39x29x 67-inch larger space of the sauna room, allow you a better full-body sauna. Detachable stainless steel frame, stable and durable, anti-corrosion, non-deformation. Wear-proof, rust-proof. With two-way zippers design, which can be opened and closed quickly and easily enter without difficulty. Double sides view windows, give you an open view and can be opened directly to breathe fresh air when you feel uncomfortable. Fast heating in 8-minutes. Portable steam sauna provide 9 heating temperature levels which can be adjusted between 1 to 60 minutes. And the maximum temperature can reach 149 degrees Fahrenheit/65 degrees Celsius. 2,500 milliliter large capacity. The steam pot can used for 90 minutes after being filled up with water. 360 degrees directional steam nozzles filled the whole steam tent in just 8 minutes. Safe to use. Portable steam sauna comes with wireless remote. You can easily decide the temperature and time that's suitable for you in sauna room. The steam generator with power adjustment function, anti-dry, automatic power stop protection. When the steam pot will automatically turn off the power after the water has been boiled dry to ensure your safe use. Excellent material. Portable steam sauna is made of high-density polyethylene fabric and waterproof canvas. It is have excellent thermal insulation function to prevent steam penetration, heat loss. Widely used. Portable steam sauna spa help to burning calories, lose weight, relieve stiffness and joint pain, improve skin tone. Increase blood circulation and sweat production, removes harmful toxins from your body, reduce stress, promotes more restful sleep and increase overall energy levels. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.